Hello viewer, it's a lasso tool we are going to select. So then made a layer via cut. Here change the layer style. Again make the further selection. Correct. Go back to the background and then make a selection on that surface. There is the other layer. We will have or more we will use the background. Made a layer via cut. So use these designs. Made a further layer at the end. We will use the background here and also we will choose some different styles of the layer.